In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text in Clipchamp step by step. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, presentations, or simple edits, adding text is one of the most important skills you need to make your videos more engaging and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert text, customize it, and fully edit it inside your timeline. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Clipchamp tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once your project loads, you'll see your timeline at the bottom, the preview window in the center, and the editing tools on the left-hand sidebar. To add text, look over to the left sidebar and click on the option labeled Text. This will open the text library, where you can see different text styles, including basic text, titles, subtitles, animated text, and more creative presets. Clipchamp offers multiple styles depending on the look you're going for, so feel free to explore them. Next, choose the text style that fits your video. Once you've decided, click on the plus button on that specific text style. As soon as you click the plus icon, the text will automatically be added to your timeline as a new layer. You'll also see it appear in the preview window. Now that the text has been added, we can customize it. Click on the text layer in your timeline to make sure it's selected. Then move over to the right-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see the text editing options. This is where you can control how your text looks. In the right sidebar, you can change the font, adjust the size, modify the alignment, and edit the color. If you want to make the text stand out more, you can click on the color option and choose a different shade. You can also make the text bold if the style allows it. Take a moment to adjust these settings so the text matches your video's theme or branding. Now let's edit the actual wording. Go down to the timeline and double-click on the text box layer. This will activate the text editing mode. When you double-click, you'll notice that the default placeholder text becomes selectable. Select the default text inside the text box. Once it's highlighted, simply start typing the text of your choice. This could be a title, a name, a caption, a call to action, or anything else you want your audience to see on screen. As you type, you'll see the changes appear instantly in the preview window. If needed, you can click and drag the text directly inside the preview window to reposition it. This makes it easy to place your text exactly where you want it, whether that's centered, at the top, or near the bottom like a subtitle. You can also adjust the duration of your text by dragging the edges of the text layer in the timeline. Drag it longer if you want the text to stay on screen for more time, or shorten it if you only need it to appear briefly. And that's it. That's how you add and edit text in Clipchamp. As you can see, it's a very straightforward process once you know where everything is. Just open your project, go to the Text tab, add your preferred style, customize it in the right sidebar, double-click to change the wording, and adjust the timeline in the timeline. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.